What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Same day video. Currently Friday, so this video is probably going to be all over the place because really I don't have anything planned today, but I do have a lot of things I need to get done. Dang, look at the mirror, babe.
Oh my god.
I don't. Jesus. I don't think that's scratched. I think it's like sap. Is it scratched?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
Oh my god. You see this pinstripe?
Yeah, dude. Yeah, we drove the hell out of this thing yesterday in the out of the garage video. Yeah, it was definitely a lot of fun. Anyhow, starting the day off, I need to run to AutoZone to go and get a part for one of my vehicles that is leaking fuel all over the place. So I would like to fix that today. Yeah, can't do that without buying parts. Completely forgot I had my camera with me. So we stopped at the first AutoZone and they don't have it in stock, but another AutoZone up here that's by us, it shows that they have one in stock. So we are swinging by this one. Oh shit, I just passed the entrance. Get in the zone! Vato zone, man! Got our part. It's this little rubber donut right here. Does anybody know what the little rubber donut's for? You're gonna find out here in a moment. But the most important thing.
Oh my god, yes.
So the Blazer came from Flagstaff, and dude, the pine tree smell out there is amazing. Like, we absolutely love Flagstaff. Whew.
Does it smell good?
Is that pine? I don't know if that's pine.
Pine cone.
Is that pine? Okay.
That's pine cone.
Anyhow, cleaning the tree sap off the roof of the truck. Overwhelming odor of pine, and it was amazing. Oh, dude, I have this ginormous camera up here. What the heck? What am I supposed to do with that? It's gonna have to go here. Oh, I dropped it.
You dropped it on me. What the heck, baby? Get it. So is that the secondary place for those?
We can hang some back there too. Oh, you know what I used to do?
What? What is he doing?
Yeah, Trip. Up here.
There's a little hook right there.
Yeah, but it would fall off the hook.
Oh my god, baby.
Do that.
Well, I guess trees everywhere.
It works. So then, the Blazer will always smell like Sedona. Not Sedona, Flagstaff.
Oh my god.
Both of them, probably.
Probably.
All right, back home, because we have a package coming.
Yeah.
That I have to be home for. It has to be signed for. We're home. The damn Mustang! So this thing got put on the side burner for a little while. Well, I guess you could actually say the back burner. It's been sitting on the side of the house now for close to a year. Would you say a year, babe?
Not that long.
No? Well, months anyhow. So this thing had a fuel leak, but it's not like a traditional leak. It doesn't have like a cracked gas tank or a hole in the line or anything like that. It's just simply the filler tube that goes into the gas tank. Because if you guys remember, whenever we first got this car, that's what was wrong with it, was the fuel pump. So we replaced the fuel pump and put in the gas tank back in. That grommet, that the fuel filler neck, it goes into on this car, it just stabs into the gas tank, and there's a rubber grommet around it that was ripped. So now whenever you try to drift this thing, it throws gas all over the place, man. Yeah, that ain't gonna work. I forgot, we lowered this car way too much. very nice. Oh, the very nice. Wow, look at that wheel spacer. Holy crap. All right, so we got to get our new little donut right here. And if you guys want a part number, there it is. If any of you guys have a 99, you know, Ford Mustang that the filler fuel nozzle gasket is damaged on, then there's a part number for you. Though more than likely, it's probably just my bad luck that I'm the one having to do this dumb crap. But anyhow, this guy goes right there. That's the old one that's ripped. So yeah, whenever you go sideways in this car, it leaves a trail of fuel all over the place. Which I guess if you light it, could be a pretty cool effect. You know, leaving circles of fuel. But if it catches up to you and catches up to the gas tank, that could be a pretty bad effect. Yeah. It still blows me away this car has a solid a whole solid axle in the back. It just seems like this thing would be a independent rear end or something. But yeah, that's actually pretty cool. Anyhow, I haven't done this before, so I noticed the problem whenever we had the fuel tank down. If you guys remember when we first got this car, we had to do a fuel pump on it. I dropped the fuel tank, and then putting it back in is when I noticed that was ripped, and it got worse when installing it. So I am assuming I need to try and get, I hope I don't have to drop the damn gas tank. I should be able to just loosen the damn filler neck and take it off, put the new gasket on, and put the filler neck back on. That's what I'm hoping for here. Take all the damn bolts out and the thing still feels solid. What the heck? How can I take out 7 freaking screws and this thing still doesn't move? Oh! Ow! Look at that, it moved.
I think it was sealed.
Yeah. Oh, the very nice. The very nice. Okay. Now what? 10. It's an 8. Crap. And that's lost. Okay. I gotta figure out how I can get more play out of this thing. Alright, after quite a bit of struggling and trying to figure out exactly how to get this plastic piece out of my way and get the filler neck to come up some so we can have some slack down there to put our donut in, I popped the trunk and realized, well, how damn, there it is. Good Lord. Been struggling with this the whole time. Look, there's screws right here to take that piece out.
Can't get more simpler.
Jesus. Oh my God, this is frustrating. Go on that side. Go on this side. Thank you. Oh, made it. Nice. All right, now to put the new one on. Okay, what the hell? That's a whole thing popping there. Like, no, give it back. Okay, it's in.
Wow.
Wow, look at that. Brand spanking new gasket. All right, now just go get some lube and shove the pipe back in there. You might not want to be beneath this, baby.
Hold on, okay. It's better than chicken liver, so I can't complain.
Get it all the way around.
Probably should have put it around the pipe.
Yeah, right on the tip.
Yeah. Or you could have hawked tuied on it.
Look at the tip of this pipe though, man. I don't think it would have worked very well.
I think it would have worked just fine.
Alright. Whatever the heck this is on the end of it, it's probably what ripped the old.
Shove it in, it's almost there.
It's just the tip.
I see it. Definitely has entered the chat.
Nice.
It's in about 3 inches.
Nice. Nice. All right, there it is.
Yay. Don't do it. Don't do it. Hey. Ah! Hey, get.
Drop the camera.
Far away and all of a sudden got close.
There it is, man. We fixed the fuel leak, but there's only one way. There's only one way to confirm that. Well, there it is, man. We fixed the fuel leak. There's no fuel on the ground anyway. So I just want to let you guys know that yes, I am going to be giving away my Mustang. We haven't done a whole lot with this thing on the channel. Realistically, I'm just not a Mustang guy. It's a solid car. The thing runs and drives. It'll get you from point A to point B. And this is going to be the same as any other giveaway, man. Anything that you buy on the website is going to get you guys an entry. Every $5 you spend is one entry. This is going to be the shortest giveaway I've ever ran. We are going to be drawing a winner on Halloween night, dude. So Jessica and I, we're not going to be going out trick-or-treating or nothing. We're just going to hang out at the house and give out candy. We're going to live stream Halloween night, just hanging out with you guys, and we're going to draw a winner Halloween night. So you don't have very much time to enter, and I wanted to let you guys know also that anybody who has already purchased some of the new drop is already entered for this giveaway. All right, so we have Sal, Norton, Corey, Jabberai, Joseph, Austin, Matthew, James, and Colby. You guys are already entered for the giveaway. Those are all people who have purchased merch since the merch dropped, the new merch drop. You guys entered the giveaway without even knowing you're entering a giveaway. So yeah, we're gonna run this until, like I said, Halloween night. We're gonna be drawing a winner. And of course, we're gonna do little things to the Mustang to make it nicer throughout the course. I have a few parts coming, and I'm gonna order some more parts for it as well. And including new tires, bro. I'm gonna put new tires on it. Anyhow, we're gonna go ahead and get out of here before the security pulls up, or police for that matter. See you guys at the house. So I was marking the center really quick. I made a sticker for the Blazer for the back window, but I'm a little worried that I might have made it a little bit too big. You guys have to let me know if you think it looks tacky. Do you think I should make it smaller, or do you think it's freaking perfect? But yeah, I personally think it needs to be really big, but who knows? Let me know. We're gonna apply it right now. I had to mark the center to make sure I get it in the middle, you know? There it is. What do you think? Just a little bit too big, isn't it? Yeah. I'm just kidding. I'm not talking about that. That is a gangster ass sticker, huh? Well, the sun went away. That sticker was a little bit harder to put on than what I was expecting. You can't tell by looking at it right now, but it's actually two colors. It has a black background. During the day, you'll see it. It just stands out and gives it a little bit more detail. But that's nothing in comparison to what it is I have planned on doing on the sides. Maybe. I haven't decided yet, but yeah, I wanted to do that before we exited out of this video, dude. This is a same day video for me. Jessica's currently inside editing everything that's happened before this moment to right now. But yeah, dude, the Mustang's a giveaway. I'm trying not to be all like pizzazz, like boom, giveaway, giveaway, giveaway. I'm just trying to be a little bit more kosher about it. It's a car that I'm not using, and I know it would be cool to give it to somebody else. Everything on the website, just like all of our other giveaways, every $5 you spend is gonna be one entry. I will say, I'm gonna be clear with you guys, I'm not gonna do any double entries this time on orders. So I saw there's a lot of people upset about that, so I'm not going to be doing that this time. What I might end up doing is, because we're going to be dropping new merch over the next couple of weeks, I might, on the new items that we drop, actually make those double entries if you purchase that item. That item equals double entries, you know? I'm not going to do like the whole entire website is double entries like we did on the last one. Because I seen that there's a lot of people upset about that, and I am attempting to keep people happy. You know, I know it's impossible to make everybody happy, but I'm trying to make everybody happy, I guess I could say. We're gonna be making the car a little bit better as the weeks progress. So just remember, you only have until Halloween on this one. The EP3 giveaway, literally like, I think it was like 411 people entered. You know what I mean? And that giveaway was running for a lot longer. So you have really good odds, and I'm just excited to see this car go to somebody else because I don't need it. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please do smash the like button for me. I hope you guys have an amazing freaking weekend. And don't forget, if you guys aren't subscribed to Out of the Garage, go check it out. Later.